What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing some renovating in the trailer. I know it's an absolute mess in here. It's literally just merch all over the floors. We have not done anything to this trailer since we got the vendor windows in it, but we're trying. So I've been thinking for a while, how am I gonna put shelves in here on a budget? Obviously do it economically, but still be able to haul my C10 in here and camp in here. So I didn't want to go out and spend like $10,000 on nice cabinets and create this whole crazy vendor trailer in here like all my buddies have, because they have cabinets everywhere. It has like a little walkway, but you can't fit a truck in it or anything like that. So I needed something different. So obviously, like, I've got to haul my C10 back here, plus I have like all the merch from Rollin' Reckless, and I camp over here. I have stuff everywhere right now, so, but typically it's not like that, but I have like a little cot and stuff I sleep in at shows. So I needed something different. So I happened to be at C10 Resurrection last weekend, and I was just chit-chatting with some folks, and I happened to be talking to Johnny's Speed Shop, and I was talking to his wife, and I was like, yeah, I need to put some shelves in, and she's like, yeah, check out our vendor trailer. They have like a little maybe it was like an 8-footer. I think it's an 8-footer, maybe a 12. But small little vendor trailer, no vendor windows in it, but they haul all their merch in it, and then they set out like their tent and their tables, like super nice setup that they have. So I walked inside their trailer, and I had been thinking for the longest time, I was like, man, I wonder if these little like grid storage cubes would work. They're super lightweight, they're very, very cheap, and I can just mount them to the wall, and it's just an easy install and does not really cost much money at all, because I have those in my house, and that's what I like stack all of my merch in, like for inventory and all that stuff, and it works out good because it's lightweight and I can move it to different rooms or do whatever I need to do. So I happen to go inside their trailer, and that's how they have like the whole top of their trailer in front of their trailer done, is with these little grid 12-inch by 12-inch storage cubes, and it looks really nice, and it holds all their merch, and it does really good. So I ordered, what did I order? Like 30 something of these things, and I started putting them in. And so check this out. So anything below the window from like here back is gonna be my C10 right there, and then my C10 only comes out to about right here, but the hood's down there or whatever. So what I'm doing is lining all this up. I'll turn the camera around so you guys can see. So pretty much I just put all these different cubes on the wall. I've got all the different merch in here, some little 10-inch bungees, and I'm just gonna go across the whole top of the trailer, all the way across, and I'll just have all the merch in there. And then I'm going to go all the way across the top of that wall, and probably do like 2 rows right there. That way I can have all the merch, and then probably down here in this area, I'm just gonna put my mounts so I can hang my grid walls. I still have to paint the walls black and all that stuff, but I'm just mocking everything up right now. But yeah, I'll hang all the grid walls and stuff so people can see all of the merch, and then when the grid walls aren't in use, I'll just tie them down to the walls like I have them. I'm gonna put some E-tracks or something in here, but yeah, I figured that'll be a easy, lightweight, economical way that I can have all of my merch in here, up off the floor, out of the way. I can get to it easy at shows. I still gotta put lighting. I literally just have like string lighting and stuff like all up there. I just have some lights in here right now, but I haven't done anything. Gotta paint the walls, paint the floor, get all these grid walls in, get all the shelving in, and then should be good. I don't have time to paint the whole trailer, and I'm going to Vegas literally tonight, and then I have Mini Truckin' Nationals like a couple days after I get back, so I don't have time to paint this whole trailer or anything right now. So I'm just gonna probably get this whole wall up and done, and then go down to Mini Nats, sling some merch, and then come back and have like a good solid month to tear this trailer apart and go at it. But I got it held together pretty good. Like everything has these little like C-clamps in there, and I have like 4 of them on each of them, and then like every little corner is zip tied in here, so it's like it's not going anywhere. I can tug on it. It's gonna have a lot of merch in it, and it'll be good. But I think this is a good temporary, maybe permanent solution. I really don't know. It was just getting to the point where I have like so much merch, and this is nothing right now. Like I have a mountain of merch that I gotta take to Mini Nats, and if I can at least have it organized and at the show where I'm not like digging through boxes to find people's sizes, I can just grab and go from a shelf right above me, would be ideal. So I don't know, has anybody else ever done this, or did it like absolutely suck? Did it fall apart? Was it good? Was it not? I don't know. I'm just trying it out. I'm not a master carpenter or anything like that, so we're just trying some different things out, seeing what works, and trying to do a budget build on this vendor trailer, because man, those trailers are expensive. Dudes spend like $30,000-$40,000 on trailers and they can't even haul their trucks in it. And I'm in a different position because I gotta haul around that C10 at least to like a quarter of the shows this year and then camp it and stuff, so gotta get creative in here. If you guys have any ideas on how to set this up or recommendations, let me know. I'm definitely open to it. Got to figure it all out, because at first this trailer was empty with just a truck in it, and I've just been accumulating stuff after stuff after stuff. It's been getting kind of crazy, so let's get all this stuff up and figure something out. But appreciate you guys watching. I'm just giving you guys an update on the vendor trailer. It's been awesome so far, like being able to like roll into a show and just open up the windows, put a couple tables out with some mannequins and t-shirts has taken me like not even half of the time of setup that I normally do, and I can just throw everything back in the trailer as soon as I'm done. It has been a lifesaver at shows. I'm out of the sun, out of the rain, out of the wind. I'm so glad that I did this. I had originally bought this trailer just for my truck, but once I outgrew that 10x10 tent, I had to make a decision. Do we go with a 10x20 tent and spend a couple $1,000s, or do we just one-stop shop this trailer and make it all-inclusive to do everything? So that's what we're doing. But yeah, figured I'd just give you guys an update. You guys will see it down at Mini Trucking Nationals. That's the next show here in about 2 weeks. I have the most merch I've ever brought to a show I'm bringing down there, so it's gonna be crazy. I'm looking forward to it. Swing by, pick up some cool stuff. I appreciate all the support so far on the brand. You guys have been killing it on buying t-shirts and hoodies and stuff, so it's been awesome. But yeah, I'll see you guys down in Maggie Valley on the 25th to the 27th of April.